Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you, my mom is helping me, how to make grilled cheese sandwiches. It's easy to make. Just first try. Okay, so what are the materials? You haven't even told me what the materials are yet. Well, the ingredients. You definitely need cheese. So, for the best results, I recommend using this medium. Dang it! Ow! So I recommend using this type of cheese, the medium. Just sliced cheese. This type of cheese my mom bought from Superstore. So we're gonna take this, and then now what we need is some bread, preferably this Burberry square. But all the one that we have is like, you know, those ones that go like in this shape. That one, that type. We're using that type, but I recommend using square. Or maybe like honey oat bread. And now, what's that for? So am I going to cook? And maybe I should teach this too.
No.
Why? Why don't lie me? Okay. Go for the sugar impact! Impact! It's sort of waterproof. It's sort of waterproof. It's sort of waterproof. Get out of here! Get out of here! Okay, so what we're gonna do is take one slice of cheese. Well, actually take 4. Some of them, break them into pieces, and then put 2 bread in between that. And you can add some other ingredients too, like ham. You can add some more types of cheese. Okay, Swiss white cheddar. Gouda, I guess that's how we say it. Any type, even like Adja cheese. I guess Adja cheese might taste good. I think it's how you say Adja cheese. Okay. And then take a block of butter. Doesn't matter if it's full or not. And then slice a piece of it off. Put it in a pan. Well, actually, this is not really even part of it. Because this is my mom's and dad's. And then, wait, what? That's part of mine? Oh. So, take a block of butter, put it in a pan, stir it. So there should be a medium here. If you have like someone that looks similar to this one, then like medium. So yeah, so let's put this like this. In this position. All the other ones should have the red things pointing up. And take out a plate. I'm gonna use that later. And this is for my mom and dad. Why do we need butter? Why? Why do we need butter? Why do we need butter? Butter doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, hot. It's like getting. Hi Fire, how you doing? So don't mind this stuff. I might show how to make this another day. Oh wait, look, it melted a bunch more. Let's get closer. And this is good. Oh look, a whirlpool! I took a picture of it. It isn't a clear picture, but yeah, it was in one of those. there was that wonderful going on. And now my mom's just taking care of some stuff. So now what we're gonna do is have a break. And also, wait, are we continuing? Okay. Now take the sandwich. Oh wait, and wait till the butter is completely melted, and then put the sandwich on top of the melted butter. So,
很多人都要把那个鸡蛋液打碎了浇在上面，你要不要？
will that taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. And then take an egg, a raw egg, preferably a brown egg. So, we used But what type of, and then crack the egg, and then open it up, and then you should just do that. Wait, how does that happen? So you don't even, it's just raw, right?
是的。
Wait, but then, why do, when we crack it actually, we peel it, then why doesn't it fall off like liquid? Wait, is this a different type of egg?
因为你吃的 egg 都是熟的呀，你是个猪。啊，你是不是个猪？
And then put some salt on the egg yolky.
啊，你是不是猪啊？你吃的鸡蛋都是熟的。
I am a pig. Okay, stir it around. So what brand egg did we use?
忘了。
I'm gonna go check. I'm gonna check. I'm still gonna check, even though you told me not to. Wait, you did tell me not to. This! It's just a carton. We took the lid off. Rats. And then dip, and once you're done mixing and it looks all yellow, dip it on top of your sandwich. This is just optional to make it taste a little better. If you really don't want the egg, then you don't need to. I mean, it should still taste good without the egg. Except it might be a little bland. And this is adding the rest of the egg yolk into it. And it's going off of the edge. But then that doesn't matter. If it goes off the edge of the bread, it doesn't matter. This is a bad tutorial, I know. There's fires flashing everywhere. And then take a spatula without those whole things, and then take some chopsticks and then flip it over with those two instruments. Well, yeah, cooking instruments. And then what you should have is some butter on this side of it. And right now, if you just take it out for a moment and get a taste of the bread, it should taste good. You should taste as bland as it was before. And flatten out the spatula. And try to get all of the, now the butter should be dried. Wait, is that egg or butter?
Egg.
Okay, so the egg should be dried by now. It should be like a fried egg. And put all the egg on top of that area. On top of the bread. Hi, Smiley Mom. Are you Smiley Jack? Are you Smiley Man? Are you Jack the Killer? No. Jack the Killer is a boy. It's a male, not a female. And so what is this called? What is this called? So this should be called a beater. So if you have anything like this, you just put stuff like salt and stuff. So is this part of my recipe?
No.
Okay, yeah, you don't need that. I might teach this another day. Don't get the beater. Don't get a beater in cup. Let's have a sneak peek at what happened. Egg yolk. But then this happens. Let's get moving. The recipe is a little too long now. Should we just like hurry up now? Oh well. At least people
不
will.
用再进行，你就说把那个两面都煎好就可以了，cheese 融化
Then
就可以了。
you need to flatten, 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 flatten. Okay. Stop flattening with the spatula. And that's for my mom's recipe. As I said earlier, I will teach this another day. I might. Is that some oil? At least my hands aren't warm. I like to do warmer, which doesn't make me feel better. Oh, hey, spinach. Okay, so wait, is this the end? Now you just have to wait, right? Wait for how long?
3 minutes.
And wait for 3 minutes and then you're done. I'll do another video on me eating it, and it should taste pretty good by the time it's finished. So wait 3 more minutes and bye guys. See you in the next video. Yup, we're just gonna be the recipe thing. Bye.